Mr. Mantashe.
Sesenjalo phambidlana namhlanje umbiki indaba wezepolitiki kwa SABC usamkele Maseko ubambe umhlangano nosihlalo we-ANC uGwede Mantashe ambusisa ngobujamo bezino ngaphakathi kwe-ANC nangomhlangano lo othulileko wekomiti ephetheko. uMantashe uthe batsho inhlangano ezibasebenzisani be-ANC zimbawile umengameli bona angathokoza isikhundla. Ngemva ukuthi batsho bese la kulungele ukuthokoza isikhundla kodwa batsho basiphikisa isiqundo esinjalo. uMantashe uthi ukukhamba kwakamengameli bekuzokuphehula irawurawu.
Actually, that would be chaotic. Let me be open with you. Chaotic in the first place that the country will be leaderless. We'll have an acting president, we'll have this. We have a conference in 2 weeks' time. And to me, that is chaos. And my own view is that we need to maintain stability. Let's go to conference, elect a leader of the ANC, and see what happens beyond that point.
Kuthe ngemva kwalapho babika indaba barakelela uzizikodwa eugwaneni bambuza bona kuhle kuyokhulunywa ngane emhlanganweni kodwa nokuthe aphendule wabaleka namatomu.
Mr. Gwede, yesterday you said that the president, one of the issues he may consider is resigning. Is that still at the top of his agenda, to hand in that resignation?
The president will come to the meeting. If he comes, he will give an account about the report that was presented in Parliament.
If he comes, what do you mean if he comes?
The president is invited. I can't tell of 86 people are invited who will come to the meeting.
Mr. Gwede, you are a deputy minister in this man's office. You're saying that you don't know whether he's coming or not?
People who are invited are not deputy ministers and ministers, are members of the National Executive Committee. I'm here as a member of the National Executive Committee.
Nakusenjalo umbishophu omkhulu wesondo lama-Anglican uThabo Makgoba uthi iSewula Afrikha kufanele ibuswe umholo ohlonitshwako ozokudosa phambili umbuso ohlanganyelweko nange umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa lahlekelwa lisekelo lezepolitiki ngendaba yeplasa yakhe iphalaphala.